How to make peppermint oil, infused. Infused peppermint oil is a great way to enjoy the therapeutic properties of mint oil at home. It's an easy recipe to make and only requires a few simple ingredients. 1. Fresh or dried peppermint leaves, preferably organic. 2. Carrier oil, i.e., olive, grapeseed, sunflower, etc. 3. Glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Step 1. Fill a jar with fresh or dried peppermint leaves. If you're using fresh leaves, you'll need to chop them up into small pieces before adding them to the jar. Step 2. Pour carrier oil over the leaves. You'll need enough oil to submerge them thoroughly. Step 3. Store the infused peppermint oil. Once the oil has finished steeping, strain it through a strainer and pour it into a clean glass bottle. Homemade peppermint oil is excellent for those looking for an additional modality outside of traditional medicine. You can use tools like BioScan to help you better understand your patient's health. BioScan uses galvanic skin response, GSR, to collect data about your patient's body. You will better understand reactions from alternative modalities, such as the use of peppermint oil. Visit our website at www.ihtvio.com to learn more.